Welcome to Update Your Migrated Courses in Canvas. In this portion, we will discuss how to publish your course. When you're ready to publish the course, from the course homepage, you will click Publish, which will publish the course. It's important to note that once a student has submitted any work, you will not be able to unpublish the course itself. You cannot unpublish a course mid-semester to add items. If you want to add items mid-semester and you don't want the students to see your work while you're working, simply go to Modules, locate where you're working. So for example, if the instructor is working on the week 5 module, and to the far right of the module's title, click the green circle to select Unpublished, which now has an empty circle with a slash through it. This module is now unavailable to students. To turn it back on, click the button again to publish the module. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.